pain ganiha, i-assess ninyo no. Next is the body temperature. So, the most convenient is the axillary. Okay, so you're going to clean from with a cotton balls. Actually, this is cotton balls. Disinfect with 90% isopropyl alcohol. The principle, you clean first the cleanest to the dirtiest area. Since I'm holding this one, comparing that one, mas hugaw rin. So you're gonna disinfect from the root tip in circular motion with your cotton balls. Discard. Then you're gonna turn on. It should be eye level meniscus, no, in reading, not like that. Then you're going to insert, once it has a display number, 888, you're going to insert this one sa armpit sa patient. No, kamo dyan na yung mga kuwan, babaeng malaki, kay nag-assessment patient naman yung imong partner. No? So, isod na nimo niya kailangan is in between lang yun na wala ning lagpas ang rope tip niya. Then once mo beep na siya, you're gonna remove that and then inyo hadayon ng i-record ang result. Again, pila to yung normal sa body temperature?
36.5 to 37.5 degree Fahrenheit.
Okay, ayaw ka limutan. We're not using the degree Fahrenheit, we're using the degree Celsius. Zero C. Do not forget also to write the unit of measurement. Okay. The assessors are in medical field na retired sa College of Nursing, nurses, medtech. So they are very particular with the vital signs. Pa? Kagamit naman siguro tayo no? Sa thermometer?
Yes.
Sama. Okay, so once it beeps, so na-dire 36.2. Anak ka mag-reading ha. Then, diba gika na ni sa ilog, asay hugaw, gika sa ilog, o akong kamol.
Sa ilog.
Okay, so opposite na sa mag-clean up. No? Again, get another new cotton balls. Ipakita ninyo sa assessor that you are disinfecting like this. So, circular motion towards the rope tip. Garo. Then, put it back into the receptacle niya. Ganawa na ninyo pag-demo. Then, the next one is